my channel. I'm so happy you are here with me today. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can achieve this look. It is a very classic silver and black smoky eye with a pop-in red lip and a pop-in highlighter. This is a very glamorous look. I really like it. I would actually wear this out for a girls' night out, just any special occasion. I feel like this would be a good go-to look. So if you would like to know how to achieve the look, keep on watching and we'll get to blending. Let's dive right into eyeshadow. My eyelids have been primed and set and they are ready for some blended eyeshadow. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to dip into the Urban Decay Naked 2 Basics palette and taking that cool tone shade Frisk on a Japanesque 835 fluffy crease brush, I'm going to lightly blend this into the crease. Moving over to Urban Decay's Blackout eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using a Sigma E55 eye shading brush, and I'm going to take this and apply this in the outer V, and as we apply more and more black shadow, I'm going to pick it up and blend it in the crease. And picking that Japanesque 835 blending brush, I'm going to blend out the edges of that black shadow to soften it. Next, I'm going to go in with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and I'm going to apply this on the first half of my eyelid so our eyelid shade can really pop and have lots of pigment. And for our eyelid shade, I'm going to pop on Buxom Single Shadow in Silver Screen. Then I'm going to take Blackout one more time, and I'm going to reapply that in the outer V around the edge of the silver shadow. And we're going to throw on some wing liner really quick. I'm going to be using my NYC Liquid Liner in black. I like to start off by mapping out the edge of the wing first. Okay, then I connect it back down to the lash line. Moving over to the face, I'm going to go in with my Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer to blur out the pores. And for foundation, I'm going to go in with my Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation in the shade LC1. And I'm going to go in and blend out the foundation with my Damp Beauty Blender. I'm going to go in and do a few spritz of the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray just to set the foundation in place. For concealer, I'm going to go in with my Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer from IT Cosmetics in the shade Light. Going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Original Contour Kit and using my Sigma F40 Large Angled Contour Brush, I'm going to chisel out the cheekbones. And you know me, I love to bronze around the edge of the face, so I'm going to take whatever's left over on the brush, getting no extra bronzer. I'm just gonna like dust the brush around the edges of the forehead to really add warmth to the skin since I'm so light. And this concealer tends to crease really quickly because it's so thick, so I'm going to go in with my Airspun Translucent Base Powder and Translucent Extra Coverage, and I'm going to go ahead and bake the under eye area. Next, I'm going to grab my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eyeliner in 0, and I'm going to apply this in the lower waterline. Taking Blackout from Urban Decay once more, I'm going to take the Sigma E20 Short Shader. I'm going to smoke this black shadow along the lower lash line. Then I'm going to take Frisk on a Sigma E70 medium angled shading brush, and I'm going to smoke out and blend out the outer edges of the black shadow. Then I'm going to add some accent eyeliner. I'm going to go in with my NYX white eyeliner, and I'm just going to add a white line underneath our wing. And next I'm going to throw on some lashes. This is the Ardell Foaming Lashes in 812. I thought to myself, let's apply a neutral lip. Then I was like, no. I'm going to go in with Rihanna's Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint. Oh, stunning. I love it. Next, I'm going to apply a highlighter. This is Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter in Pearl. So beautiful on the skin. It's one of my favorite highlighters. Then I'm going to go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit and grabbing Luna, I'm going to apply that on top of the highlighter. Dust that like everywhere else I can on the face to add some glow. I'm going to blend Luna into the inner corner as well. And I'm going to finish off the look with applying Benefits Blush in California with the Real Techniques Fluffy Blush Brush. And that completes it for this look, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. There's a link in the description box you can click, and you're subscribed, you're following me, and you will be able to stay up to date on all of the videos that I upload in the future. And also make sure you follow me on all of my social media handles. I will have all of those down in the description box below and on the screen for you as well. Jesus loves you with all his heart. Have a fantastic day, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.